Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're excited to introduce the best sewing machine handheld, the Stitch Gun for clothes. This handy tool is a must-have for anyone who needs quick and efficient fixes for their clothes, tags, or other fabrics. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tailor, or someone who just needs to patch things up in a hurry, this tool is your go-to solution. The Stitch Gun for clothes is a powerful handheld device that lets you quickly sew, hem, and even repair your clothing with ease. It includes 6 stainless steel needles and comes with 1000 black and 1000 white fasteners, giving you all the materials you need to get started. The 5mm fasteners ensure that your stitching is nearly invisible, which is perfect for delicate fabrics like wool, linen, and denim. It works great for minor repairs and alterations, making it ideal for fixing seams, hems, and even adding patches to your favorite clothes. One of the standout features of this tool is its versatility. It's not just for clothes, you can use it for fixing denim, altering curtains, or sewing on patches. The Stitch Gun is also lightweight and compact, which makes it easy to handle and comfortable for extended use. The ergonomic design ensures that you won't feel fatigue, even if you're working on multiple projects. Another reason this Stitch Gun is so effective is its ease of use. It's incredibly simple to operate, even for beginners. Just load it with a needle, choose the fasteners you need, and you're ready to go. Plus, the fasteners are easy to remove without damaging the fabric, so you won't have to worry about leaving any visible marks or holes on your clothes. Made from durable plastic, the Stitch Gun is built to last. The stainless steel needles are smooth and pointed, allowing for precise stitching every time. It's sturdy enough to handle all your sewing projects but still small and portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. This tool is ideal for quick repairs and emergencies, saving you time and money compared to traditional sewing machines or taking your clothes to a tailor. If you're in need of a portable, easy-to-use, and effective sewing tool, the Stitch Gun for clothes is a great choice. So, if you're tired of dealing with rips, tears, or loose hems, the Stitch Gun for clothes is exactly what you need. It's quick, reliable, and super convenient. Don't wait around for repairs. Take matters into your own hands with this amazing handheld Stitch Gun. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the best products.